Hi everybody, my name is Tiago Reis, and I'm here to present you MaterDynamics. MaterDynamics is a nanotechnology startup, and we exist to help you answer this question. How do you know the quality of a product? If I go to the supermarket, I have to grab a product, I will do a visual inspection, and maybe I will read the expiration date. But this is not enough. Why? Because there are several products that this process is inefficient. For example, I can buy meat, and that meat can be contaminated with bacteria. Or maybe I can buy a good wine, and I have to open, taste it, and somehow the taste is not so good as I was expecting. At MaterDynamics, we know the quality of the product is much, much different regarding the expiration date that is printed on the label. It's the story of the product and how different variables from production until selling the product can affect my product. As my product exposed to high temperatures, was exposed to light, was exposed to moisture, and so on. And if this is really hard to me in the supermarket, it's much, much harder on my home. I have hundreds of products on my freezer, and as a consumer, this concerns me. But if I'm a retailer, this is a much more, it's the biggest problem to solve. We are speaking about thousands of products that are shipping to Angola, Africa, or maybe I am distributing to north of Portugal, to Spain, to France. As a manager, as a retailer, I want to control my stocks and know the quality of my products to do better decisions on time like that. So we developed a Q-Stamp. Q-Stamp is a flexible sensor that you can put. You don't need any kind of power, and will measure variables like temperature, pressure, and so on, and we'll communicate with an app that you have, a smartphone or a laptop, to help managers to better manage their stocks. So this is a picture of the kind of things that you can do with our app, and this is our vision for the retailer market. So currently we have two pilots running, and one of them is the retail industry, and other is that people are using Q-Stamps to monitoring industrial process on factory, because sometimes a conventional sensor is not enough. I need to twist the sensor, I need to have some kind of wireless technology to assess a very difficult point on the industrial plant. So this is our revenues. We start on March 2016. We finish our prototype in 2015. And since 2015, we have already some clients. So, team, my name is Tiago Reis. I'm finishing my PhD. I did part of my PhD at MIT and the Universidade Nova de Lisboa. And I have more than 5 years experience designing sensors to other companies as a freelancer. We have Hannah. Anna is our engineer, also a PhD student finishing her PhD. And she's doing the automation process of Q-Stamp. We have 2 electronic engineers helping us to use our nanomaterials to communicate with platforms such as RFID, Bluetooth, and so on. So just a quick milestones. We finished our prototype, okay? So we did a blind test with a better user in the wine industry. We did our first sale in 2015. We want to double our revenues, and we are waiting for patent clearance. This is the kind of money that you are looking for. We have a strategy for this, and we can discuss it later. Thank you so much. This is MaterDynamics.